Hello guys, iOS Pro Hacker here, and in this video I'm gonna show you that how you can install Fortnite game in your Android devices right now. It's a beta version of the game. It only works on few mobile phone models right now, and it may not work on rooted devices. Right now I have Samsung Galaxy S8 in my hand, so let's start the tutorial. If you search in Play Store, you will not find this game because it has not released in the Play Store yet. The game is in the beta version right now and it's in development. But to install it in your phone, you need to go to your browser and visit this link. You will find the link in the description of this video. It is only available in Samsung phones, but not on all Samsung phones. There are few models which works with Fortnite. If you don't have a Samsung phone, you can also install it. Just go to the description of this video and you will find an APK file, so download and install that file into your phone to play Fortnite. It is not available in Play Store and it's only available in Galaxy apps and supports few models of Samsung phones such as Samsung Galaxy S8, S9 and Note 8, Note 7 I think. So let's install the game and check it out. Now the game is downloading and the data of the game is right now downloading. It's about 700 MB and it may take time to download, depends on your internet speed. I've never played this game before, but let's see what it has in it. I don't know why it's so famous. As I said before, it will not work on rooted devices, so I have Majestic Hide to disable root error in this game.